Hey guys, this is Ryan at Kaizink. Today I'm showing you how to find the placement for a full back in the DTF department. So this shirt has already been pre-pressed, and I pulled it off the press, brought it over to the cart, and lined up the bottom flush with the bottom of the cart here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take the alignment jig, and I like to flip it upside down here, and we're going to line it right up to the bottom of the collar. And then to find the center of the shirt, we're just going to look at the sleeves here, and we're looking for equal distance in between the edge of the jig and the sleeves, which we have here. And the other thing that's going to help is getting the bottom of the jig parallel to the bottom of the cart and shirt. So that looks good. And we're going to take our graphic here, and if this is already in the process of working on a shirt, for example, if you've already done the front of the shirt, the process is to go ahead and find the center while it's pressing. So we already have our center marks found here. I could show that in another video, but essentially if you look at your proof, it's going to be a 4-inch drop from that collar. So you can see we've got our 4-inch line here, and so all I'm going to do is line up the top of the graphic to that 4-inch line. So we could just kind of picture an invisible line going across, and then we're going to take our vertical center point and line that up to this red line here, the center of the folding jig. So I'm just going to slide it over until our crease lines up and we're lined up with that kind of invisible line running across. And the other thing that we're going to look for is that any of the horizontal lines running through the graphic look parallel to the bottom of the cart and shirt. So that looks really good. At this point, what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and put in 2 pieces of thermal tape, one on each side. And if it's a big graphic, sometimes it's best to just throw one up here at the top. That way, as you hold it up to take a look at it, it's not going to like flop over and fall off. So at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to lift up the shirt, and hopefully it doesn't fall off on us. And just make sure that those horizontal lines are running parallel to the bottom of the shirt. And I feel like the left is a little bit high. So all I'm going to do is just untack that corner, untack the top, and just go ahead and bring it down just a little bit. Tack it back, hold it back up. We can go a little bit more with that one, so I'm going to drop it down just a little bit more. Re-tack down the tape, and that's looking pretty good, so I'm happy with that. And so at this point, we're just going to pinch the edge of the graphic so it doesn't fall around, like fall down on us, and just rotate it back over the cart here. And make sure that we get all of our seams off the edge. And then as long as all of your seams fall off the edge of this bottom plate on the heat press, then you don't need a pillow. So this is good to press. I'm actually going to pull it up a little bit further because that collar was up there. And then we're good for the second press. Thanks for watching.